What's up, YouTube world? Today, quick walk around and a little bit of everything that I've done to this car. Outside. Did the cut lights. Side markers look good. It already has the white LED fog lights. I bought it. C7 wheels. New speed sensors. It doesn't trip off the damn traction system or anything like that. 305s, 30, 20 in the back, and 245. What are the tire size? 245 something in the front. 245, 35, 19. Added that little sticker, and I know it's not 100th anniversary, but my homie Mr. 100, rest in peace, I got that really for him. Pinstripe by LYLE Fisk. Go do your research. The legend. I did all the little, call it the mood lights, and you can tell it's daytime and it's still, well, it's like 6:30 in the morning, but still bright as hell. Yeah, I put one in here too, but it doesn't always work. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. I gotta fix that one. What else? Oh yeah, bought the new seat covers. Keep the original ones fresh. Now, let me open the trunk. Oh yeah. Real carbon fiber. Not that dip crap. And all that Corvette little windshield cover and visor. This fender cover. Now, here we go. Custom. 2 8s. Some sub thump box. I think it was like $300 for the box. Well worth it. Well worth it. Added those lights too, especially at night when you're trying to see something back here. You can see. And then I have. Oh, see it here. I love the glow plug. That's the high-low converter because I kept the factory radio, Bose and all that. I wanted to swap that out because it actually sounds really good. So I want to take a 2,000 watt out, and on the back of the partition part, it actually says Corvette. The interior just fire as hell. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me turn on the car, cold start. The straight pipes. Still has the cats though. Pinstripes. I can't see shit here. Oh yeah, there's no bumpers. Cut off the magnify, it's too wide. Oh, can. Alright, let's do this. Fresh cold start. No gas, that shit crazy. Anyways, yeah, I hear you. I got you. I'm about to go right now. Recipes my grandfather gave me that. Oh yeah, this is the 3LT. Got the little sheets. Got the OnStar factory nav. Don't get the copyright strike. Don't got my music playing. Agree. Let's do a little. Damn, I don't own any of these songs, do I? can play this one. No copyright strikes.
Stay with a condom. Keep a lot of bitches, but tonight I got a blonde down. Okay, rub the powder on the gun. Now even the big when I'm done, straight to the
Broke my
rim.
mirror.
All gone, get straight to the tank. Now what? Shit. I don't know what to do with a date with a boo, aka let the shoe hit it. Yeah, cause it's time to dip, girl. So say the attitude, quit poking your lips, girl. Hey, don't be mad, I ain't mad, girl.
Alright, man. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for keeping the video. Oh, actually, that's cool though. She sound good. She sound good, don't she? Oh, and I got the reverse LED tail lights as well. With the lights. It's all white. I did everything LED that I could on the car. Oh, how am I going to end the video and not show you underneath the hood? Jesus, I'm stupid.